Hey champions, want to unlock some awesome rewards in Marvel Contest of Champions? Let's talk about promo codes. So what exactly is MCOC promo code? Uh, Promo codes in MCOC are special alphanumeric codes that give you access to free rewards like units, crystals, and other in-game items. They are often released during special events, updates, or collaboration. You can use these promo codes in Marvel Contest of Champions to boost your game progress, upgrade your champions, and even get rare items that you might not have unlocked otherwise. So now I'm showing you some latest promo codes which is added on March 2, 2025. So these codes are this heart shaped box, summer now year code is MCOC welcome, the hunter, Alexander MCOC, and more. You can screenshot it and use it. So how you can use it now is very simple. First, open your Marvel Contest of Champion game and tap the gear icon in the top left to access the setting menu. Then in the settings, look for the redeem code option and tap on it. Enter your promo code in the box and hit submit. And just like that, your rewards will be instantly added to your account. It's that easy. Promo codes are a great way to get ahead in the game and enjoy all the Marvel Contest of Champion has to offer. Keep an eye on social media, special events, and news from Kagum for the latest codes. Thanks for watching.